Good morning, students. Today we will do the revision of chapter Nobel Prize. Okay, so as we discuss, Nobel Prize is awarded every year for the work in physics in selected subject only. It is given, so it is given in physics, medicine, chemistry, literature, economics, and peace. So we have given the picture and detail about that person, so we have to identify the name of the person. Okay, so first that we have, in 2014 this Pakistani human right activist become the youngest person to ever receive a Nobel Prize at the age of 17. She survived an assassination attempt at the age of 15 when she defeated the Taliban's prohibition on female education in Swat Valley, Pakistan. Okay, so can you identify what is the name of this person? Yes, it's very famous. You must have seen this picture in newspapers. So this is the picture of Malala Yousafzai. She is a Pakistani girl and she was awarded for the Nobel Prize that she fight for the girl education. Okay, and at the youngest, very youngest is she was awarded at the age of 17 only. Okay, so she was given the Nobel Prize in peace. Okay, then the second that we have, a writer of fiction, poetry, songs and dramas. He is one of the Indian most celebrated and distinguished figure. In 1913 he became the first non-European, the first Asian, first non-European. Before him, only European were the person who received the Nobel Prize. So he became the first non-European, the first Asian and the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize for his collection of poems called Gitanjali. So yes, what is the name of this person? Recently only there was on 7 May we can see there was a news about this person in the newspaper. He belongs to Kolkata. He was born on 7 May 1861. So what is the name of this person? Ravindranath Tagore. So on 7th May there was Ravindranath Tagore Jayanti, yesterday only. Okay. So Ravindranath Tagore was awarded with the Nobel Prize for his poetry, songs and dramas, and there is a collection of poems that is called Gitanjali. So mainly he was given the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali. Okay, so he was the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize and first Indian also. Then the third one that we have, he is the founder of Bachpan Bachao Andolan. Okay, this is the NGO Bachpan Bachao Andolan that is run by this person and has fought for the cause of child rights since 1980s. The winner of the Nobel Peace Prize in 2014, his activism led to reform in child labor laws विच वर एनेक्टेड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. मीन्स कि जैसे जो हमारा चाइल्ड लेबर लॉ है वो क्या कहता है कि मतलब 14 साल से कम बच्चे से काम नहीं करवाना चाहिए, लेबरिंग नहीं करवानी चाहिए. सो दिस पर्सन फोट फॉर द मेनली चाइल्ड राइट्स. ओके, so the NGO of this person give the protection to the child right. So he was also awarded for the Peace Nobel Prize with Malala Yousafzai. So the name of this person is Kailash Satyarthi. He is Indian and he was given Nobel Peace Prize together with Malala Yousafzai. So they both were awarded together with Nobel Prize in 2014, Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, Mainly in Nobel Prize, one we can say certificate or diploma that is given, and money is also given, and medal is given. Then the next person that we have, in 1930, he became the first Asian and the first Indian scientist to win the Nobel Prize for Physics. Means as till that we have discussed about the Nobel Peace Prize like Kailash Satyarthi and Malala Yousafzai, and Rabindranath Tagore was given the Nobel Prize in Literature. So the next that Nobel Prize we have, that is given in physics. Okay, so he was so confident, this person was so confident about the winning of the Nobel Prize, and he booked his ticket before the results were announced. So जब रिजल्ट जो अनाउंस होने थे उससे पहले ही इन्होंने अपनी जो टिकट थी बुक कर ली थी. दैट इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग कि कोई इतना कॉन्फिडेंट अपने काम के बारे में. And the topic was the work on scattering of light rays. Okay, scattering of light rays. So he was given in Nobel Prize in physics. So what is the name of this person? Yes, can you recognize the picture? The name of the person is C.V. Raman. Okay, so C.V. Raman is the first Indian who won the Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics. And he was so confident about his work that he booked ticket before the result were even announced. So next we have, she is the first African woman and the first environmentalist to win the Nobel Prize for work in the field of democracy, human rights and the environmental conservation. In 1977, she established the Green Belt movement in her native country, Kenya, to promote sustainable development practice. So what is the meaning of sustainable? Means we have to conserve the environment. We will not overutilize our natural resources. We should utilize in such a manner that the resources should be kept for the future also, or we can say for the coming generation. Okay, so she was awarded with the Peace Nobel Prize for his work in field of democracy, human rights and environmental conservation. Okay, so the name of this lady is, African lady, is Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai was awarded with the Peace Nobel Prize for his work in human rights and democracy and environmental conservation. Okay, then the next that we have, next is, in 1998, he became India's first and only economist to win the Nobel Prize for his work on the causes and effect of famine. famine का मतलब होता है अकाल आ जाना, poverty, गरीबी and food insecurity. Okay, so his work was on the causes, that what are the causes of famine is poverty and food insecurity, that food is not available to all the population in the country. Okay, so what is the reason, what are the effects, what are the causes? So in 1988 he became the first Indian and the only Indian economist who win the Nobel Prize. Mainly he is given Nobel Prize in economic welfare, that is called welfare topic. So the name of this person is Amartya Sen. Okay, at present he is working as a professor in California University. Okay, so the next that we have is often called the father of microcredit. Microcredit means छोटे लेवल पे जो लोन वगैरह दिया जाता है, that. He is the founder of the Grameen Bank in Bangladesh, an organization which provides small loan totaling an estimate $20 billion so far to the poorest of the poor. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006 for his work. So what is the name of this person? This person is known as the father of microcredit and is also the founder of Grameen Bank in Bangladesh. So Grameen Bank give loan mainly to the rural people, okay, in rural areas, the small amount of credit or loan is given. So this, he is the father. So the name of this person is, or we can say father of microcredit, is Muhammad Yunus. Muhammad Yunus. Okay, he was awarded in 2006. Then the next that we have, a pharmaceutical chemist. She is the first Chinese woman to win a Nobel Prize. Her discovery of groundbreaking anti-malaria medicine has saved millions in the developing world, for which she was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2015. So she is the first Chinese woman, okay, who win the Nobel Prize, and the discovery of this lady was on the malaria medication, anti-malaria we can say medicine, and that saved the life of the million people in the developing world. As malaria is a very spreading disease in India, we can also see that if we see the data of some few back years, so there are many people who die because of malaria. Okay, so she discovered the anti-malaria medicine, and for that she was awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, as Nobel Prize is given in medicine. In 2015 she was awarded. So what is the name of this lady? So the name of this lady is Tu Youyou. Tu Youyou. She was awarded with the Nobel Prize for medicine. Okay. Then the next that we have, he is known as the father of fiber optic communication, developing the cable that have enabled super fast long distance communication via phone, cell phone and the internet. He was awarded the 2009 Nobel Prize in Physics for his revolutionary discovery that has made sharing of information easier and more accessible than ever before. Okay, so for means fiber optic communication means that cable like that we are using today, like internet, okay, Wi-Fi. So he was awarded the Nobel Prize in 2009 in physics for his revolutionary discovery that makes sharing of information and more accessible than ever it was. So what is the name of this person? Name of this person is Charles K. Cow. Charles K. Cow. He was awarded with the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2009. So students, we have discussed about the Nobel Prize. Okay. So Nobel Prize is mainly awarded in medicine, chemistry, literature, economics, peace, physics. Okay, so revise this chapter, watch the video and also read from your book. Okay, and write the name of the person in given space. Okay, if you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you students.